This one's called Simple Fun number 261, Whose Move? The task: 2 players, black and white, are playing a game. The game consists of several rounds. If a player wins in a round, he is to move again during the next round. If a player loses a round, it's the other player who moves on the next round. Given whose turn it was on the previous round and whether he won, determine whose turn it is on the next round. So we have input-output. We receive as a parameter this last player. It's going to either be black or white. And then we have a Boolean passed in denoting whether the last player won or not. So they have some examples down here. If last player was black and win is false, then you go to the next player, so you return white. And then if the last player was white and win is true, you return white again. They get to go again if they won in the last round. So it's pretty simple and straightforward logic. Go ahead and try this one. Come on back when you're ready. So we'll check if they win. Bool, probably should have put 1, but that's fine. So if they won, you're going to return the last player, right? They keep their turn. Otherwise, you need to get the other player. And so I'm going to make a little helper method to handle that, making it private because no one else needs to know about it. Let's say get other player, and it's going to take in a string denoting the last player. And we'll use the same kind of logic here with the ternary operator. We'll say return, let's give it our bool condition. Last player equals, I'll even go to lower. Remember, we can make all the letters lowercase just to kind of get around some funny business with capitalization. Probably won't hit here, but you may want to do that in general. And so if the last player is equal to white, then you want to return black. Remember, we're giving the opposite player. Oops, sorry, I blew this syntax too. Question mark after your condition, right? And then what to return if it's true, and what to return if it's false. And so with this handy method, I can simply put the other case in here, get other player, last player. So when whose move bool. I'm gonna rename this. This is a lot more clear what's going on in my opinion. One last round. Yeah. Say it's the last player's turn again. Yeah. I'll go with that. And surely people will be doing this all on one line, so do that if you like. I'm going to hit Control Enter to attempt. And it looks like our tests are good. That beautiful green color. So I'll go ahead and submit. Not too much new here. We've worked with the ternary operator, with Boolean conditions, that sort of thing. So you should have been all over this one. Yeah, nice and simple. Same kind of thing going on there. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.